Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With another lecture of passive. This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we will learn some more about passive. Here's a list before you people. There are some verbs which do not take the preposition by before the object. Like with known, we use to, interested in, contained in, ground in, covered with, satisfied with, disgusted with, killed with, similarly lined with, overgrown with, crowded and thronged with, pleased with, surprised at, astonished and displeased at or by, and amazed, rejoiced, alarmed, vexed, annoyed, agitated at. We do not use by with these verbs. We use the preposition shown before these words. Like these, here are the examples. Do you know his father? Is his father known to you? Known to you, not by you. This bottle contains honey. Honey is contained in this bottle. In, not by. Does this book interest you? Are you interested in this book? Not by. These mills grind corn. Corn is grounded in these mills, not by these mills. Snow covered the fields. Fields are covered with snow, not by snow. He has not satisfied me with his work. I have not been satisfied with his work. This book disgusted me. I'm disgusted with this book, not by this book. A cut of sword killed him. He was killed with a cut of the sword. Cut off the sword. So we do not use by with these verbs. Thank you very much for listening with another lecture of passive. I will be here sharing with you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.